When you deposit USDT on the BingX exchange, you will see multiple network options available, which often confuses first-time users about which one to choose. After selecting USDT for deposit, the first step is to generate your deposit address. Once the address is generated, you may use it to send funds from any wallet or exchange. However, the important thing to understand is that different wallets and exchanges also provide multiple network options, so selecting the correct network is crucial. Before making any transfer, you should carefully check which network your USDT is currently stored on in your wallet. For example, it could be on Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, Ethereum, ERC20, Arbitrum, or another supported network. This step is very important because the network you choose while sending must match the network selected on BingX. If you choose the wrong network, there is a risk that your funds may not arrive or could be lost. When depositing USDT on BingX, after selecting the coin, the platform will ask you to choose a network. If you're unsure, you should first verify your wallet's network details. In most cases, users prefer networks like Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, because of lower transaction fees and faster transfers. However, fees and minimum deposit limits vary depending on the network, so you should also pay attention to those details before proceeding. Each network has a minimum deposit requirement. This means if you send less than the required amount, your funds may not be credited to your account. So always ensure that your deposit meets the minimum threshold mentioned by BingX for the selected network. Once you select the correct network, BingX will generate your deposit address. If it's your first time depositing, you may need to generate the address manually. After that, you'll also need to choose where to receive the funds inside BingX, such as a funding account or another available wallet type. It's generally recommended to select the funding account for simplicity. After this, go to your wallet or exchange from where you are sending the funds. Paste the deposit address you copied from BingX, select the